Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of amazing outdoor kitchen designs and tips to transform your outdoor living space into a culinary haven. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Picture this, a serene summer evening, laughter floating through the air, and the mouth-watering aroma of sizzling delicacies. Such delightful moments are made possible with the growing trend of outdoor kitchen design. Today, we embark on an exploration of the enchanting world of outdoor kitchens, where culinary dreams blend seamlessly with the beauty of nature. Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your trusted companion on this delightful journey. Is it a good idea to have an outdoor kitchen? The resounding answer is yes. An outdoor kitchen is a perfect extension of your indoor living space, offering a myriad of advantages. Not only does it provide a fresh and invigorating setting for cooking, but it also allows you to entertain guests while indulging in the beauty of your surroundings. Whether you're hosting a grand barbecue or seeking a tranquil space for intimate gatherings, an outdoor kitchen sets the stage for unforgettable experiences. Now that we've established the allure of outdoor kitchens, let's delve into the planning process. Careful consideration is crucial to create a functional and visually captivating space. Begin by envisioning the purpose of your outdoor kitchen area. Will it serve as a standalone cooking station, or would you like to incorporate seating and dining areas? Determining these factors will guide your design decisions and ensure a harmonious blend of functionality and aesthetics. When planning, take into account the flow of your outdoor space. Consider the proximity to your indoor kitchen, the natural elements, and the overall landscape. Optimal positioning of your outdoor kitchen will facilitate effortless movement and enhance the overall experience for both the chef and guests. Now, let's explore the must-have features of an outdoor kitchen. A sturdy and weather-resistant countertop is essential for food preparation. Stainless steel appliances are popular choices due to their durability and resistance to the elements. A built-in grill or a versatile cooking range will be the centerpiece of your culinary adventures. Additional amenities such as sinks, refrigerators, and storage space contribute to the convenience and functionality of your outdoor kitchen. As for dimensions, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. The optimal size of an outdoor kitchen depends on various factors, including the available space and your specific needs. However, a general guideline suggests allocating at least 12 to 16 square feet for the cooking area and additional space for countertops, appliances, and seating. By carefully planning and maximizing your available area, you can create a well-proportioned and efficient outdoor kitchen. To spark your imagination, we present our curated list of the top 10 best outdoor kitchen design ideas. 1. Rustic elegance. Embrace the charm of natural stone, timber accents, and a cozy fireplace. 2. Modern minimalism. Clean lines, sleek stainless steel, and minimalist design create a contemporary outdoor kitchen. 3. Mediterranean escape. Transport yourself to the Mediterranean with vibrant tiles, earthy tones, and a wood-fired pizza oven. 4. Coastal paradise. Light colors, wicker furniture, and nautical elements evoke the tranquil ambience of a seaside retreat. 5. Farmhouse chic. Vintage-inspired fixtures, reclaimed wood, and a farmhouse sink create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 6. Asian Zen. Infuse your outdoor kitchen with the serenity of Eastern design, featuring bamboo accents and a tranquil water feature. 7. Tropical oasis. Lush greenery, tropical plants, and a thatched roof bring the exotic beauty of the tropics to your outdoor space. 8. Contemporary entertainer. Opt for an open-concept design, spacious seating, and a sleek bar area for hosting unforgettable gatherings. 9. Industrial chic. Exposed brick, concrete countertops, and metal accents add an edgy and urban touch to your outdoor kitchen. 10. Classic elegance. Timeless elements such as marble countertops, ornate lighting fixtures, and traditional architecture create an elegant and sophisticated outdoor kitchen. An outdoor kitchen is an extraordinary addition to any home, transcending boundaries between indoor and outdoor living. Embrace the joy of al fresco dining, the beauty of outdoor entertainment, and the satisfaction of culinary creativity. With careful planning, essential features, and an eye for design, your outdoor kitchen will become a haven for memorable moments. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of amazing outdoor kitchen design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.